How?
Comment?
How?
Comment?
How? How may I help you?
Comment puis-je vous aider?
How may I help you?
Comment puis-je vous aider?
How may I help you? Where?
Où?
Where?
Où?
Where do you work?
Où travaillez-vous?
Where do you work?
Où travaillez-vous?
Where do you work? Where are you from?
D'où venez-vous?
Where are you from?
D'où venez-vous?
Where are you from? Where do you live in France?
Où habitez-vous en France?
Where do you live in France?
Où habitez-vous en France?
When?
Quand?
When?
When will you come back?
Quand reviendrez-vous?
When will you come back?
Quand reviendrez-vous?
When will you come back?
When did you go to the office?
Quand êtes-vous allé au bureau?
When did you go to the office?
Quand êtes-vous allé au bureau?
Why?
Pourquoi?
Why?
Pourquoi?
Why are you silent?
Pourquoi es-tu silencieux?
Why are you silent?
Pourquoi es-tu silencieux?
Why are you learning English?
Pourquoi apprenez-vous l'anglais?
Why are you learning English?
Pourquoi apprenez-vous l'anglais?
Why did you wake up early?
Pourquoi t'es-tu réveillé tôt?
Why did you wake up early?
Pourquoi t'es-tu réveillé tôt?
Why not now?
Pourquoi pas maintenant?
Why not now?
Pourquoi pas maintenant?
How much?
Combien?
How much?
Combien?
How much do you have right now?
Combien as-tu en ce moment?
How much do you have right now?
Combien as-tu en ce moment?
How much does it cost?
Combien ça coûte?
How much does it cost?
Combien ça coûte?
At what time?
À quelle heure?
At what time?
À quelle heure?
At what time will you come?
À quelle heure viendrez-vous?
At what time will you come?
À quelle heure viendrez-vous?
At what time will you come? At what time will you reach home?
À quelle heure arriveras-tu à la maison?
At what time will you reach home?
À quelle heure arriveras-tu à la maison?
Up to where? How far?
Jusqu'où?
Up to where? How far?
Jusqu'où?
Up to where? How far? Until when?
Jusqu'à quand?
Until when?
Jusqu'à quand?
Until when? Since when?
Depuis quand?
Since when?
Depuis quand?
Since when? For when?
Pour quand?
For when?
Pour quand?
For when? Until what time?
Jusqu'à quelle heure?
Until what time?
Jusqu'à quelle heure?
Until what time? Since what time?
Depuis quelle heure?
Since what time?
Depuis quelle heure?
Since what time? For what time?
Pour quelle heure?
For what time?
Pour quelle heure?
For what time? For how much? How many?
Pour combien de?
For how much? How many?
Pour combien de?
For how much? How many? With how much? How many?
Avec combien de?
With how much? How many?
Avec combien de?
How long?
Combien de temps?
How long?
Combien de temps?
How long? For how long?
Pendant combien de temps?
For how long?
Pendant combien de temps?
For how long? Since how long?
Depuis combien de temps?
Since how long?
Depuis combien de temps?
Since how long? With what?
Avec quoi?
With what?
Avec quoi?
With what? With whom?
Avec qui?
With whom?
Avec qui?
About whom?
De qui?
About whom?
De qui?
For whom?
Pour qui?
For whom?
Pour qui?
At whose place?
Chez qui?
At whose place?
Chez qui?
At whose place?
Je veux quelqu'un à qui parler.
I want someone to talk to. I want someone to talk to.
Certains garçons sont entrés dans la classe.
Some boys came into the classroom. Some boys came into the classroom.
Il joue au football.
He plays soccer. He plays soccer.
Il sonna la cloche de l'entrée.
He rang the doorbell. He rang the doorbell.
Je suis malade au lit depuis vendredi dernier.
I have been ill in bed since last Friday. I have been ill in bed since last Friday.
Mon père était occupé.
My father was busy. My father was busy.
J'ai appris beaucoup de lui.
I learned a lot from him. I learned a lot from him.
Il s'est fâché.
He got angry. He got angry.
Elle refusa mon offre.
She turned down my offer. She turned down my offer.
Cette balle, est-elle la tienne ou la sienne?
Is this ball yours or hers? Is this ball yours or hers?
Prends-en un, je te prie.
Please take one. Please take one.
Mets ça par écrit.
Put that in writing. Put that in writing.
Ils ont leurs propres problèmes.
They have their own troubles. They have their own troubles.
Les jumeaux sont parfaitement semblables.
The twins look exactly alike. The twins look exactly alike.
Il est récemment décédé.
He died recently. He died recently.
Ça sent délicieusement bon.
It smells delicious. It smells delicious.
Belle journée, n'est-ce pas?
Beautiful day, isn't it? Beautiful day, isn't it?
J'aimerais voir le médecin bientôt.
I'd like to see the doctor soon. I'd like to see the doctor soon.
Elle ne sait pas nager.
She can't swim. She can't swim.
Je vous délivrerai une ordonnance.
I'll give you a prescription. I'll give you a prescription.
Demain, c'est la fête des mères.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day.
La fille ressemblait à sa mère.
The girl resembled her mother. The girl resembled her mother.
Je n'y arrive pas.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Nous aurons un examen aujourd'hui.
We're going to have a test today. We're going to have a test today.
J'ai perdu un peu de poids.
I've lost a little weight. I've lost a little weight.
Je reviens.
I'll come back. I'll come back.
N'importe qui peut faire ça.
Anybody can do that. Anybody can do that.
Passe-moi le sucre, s'il te plaît.
Please pass me the sugar. Please pass me the sugar.
Puis-je vous aider?
May I help you? May I help you?
Je ne peux pas dormir.
I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
Paris est la capitale de la France.
Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France.
Il est très jeune.
He is very young. He is very young.
Ne laissez pas la fenêtre ouverte.
Don't leave the window open. Don't leave the window open.
Est-ce que le chien est en train de nager?
Is the dog swimming? Is the dog swimming?
Nous aimerions passer la nuit ici.
We would like to stay here tonight. We would like to stay here tonight.
As-tu déjà vu un panda?
Have you ever seen a panda? Have you ever seen a panda?
Pour quelle entreprise travaillez-vous?
Which company do you work for? Which company do you work for?
Il était à la maison.
He was at home. He was at home.
Tu peux le faire, n'est-ce pas?
You can do it, can't you? You can do it, can't you?
Pourquoi as-tu fait cela?
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Allume la télévision, s'il te plaît.
Please turn on the TV. Please turn on the TV.
Il est toujours avec moi.
He is always with me. He is always with me.
Je me souviens l'avoir vu quelque part.
I remember seeing her somewhere. I remember seeing her somewhere.
Je l'ai attendue longtemps.
I waited for her for a long time. I waited for her for a long time.
Ce gâteau-ci est sucré.
This cake is sweet. This cake is sweet.
As-tu déjà déjeuné?
Have you eaten lunch yet? Have you eaten lunch yet?
Restez à la maison afin que vous puissiez répondre au téléphone.
Stay home so that you can answer the phone. Stay home so that you can answer the phone.
À qui est ce livre?
Whose is this book? Whose is this book?
Il vient une fois par semaine.
He comes round once a week. He comes round once a week.
Je suis allé là hier.
I went there yesterday. I went there yesterday.
Ma mère a 4 frères.
My mother has 4 brothers. My mother has 4 brothers.
De qui est-il l'ami?
Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he?
Pourquoi fait-il si chaud?
Why is it so hot? Why is it so hot?
Elle est un très bon professeur.
She is a very good teacher. She is a very good teacher.